Welcome back to our series on the book of Isaiah. In chapter 3, we saw God warn Jerusalem of judgment because of corrupt leaders, arrogance, and vanity. Now, in chapter 4, Isaiah shifts the focus and gives a glimpse of hope that points forward to Christ. The chapter begins with a picture of desperation. After judgment falls, so many men have died in battle that 7 women will cling to one man, begging to be called by his name to remove their disgrace. It's a sign of how deeply the nation will suffer because of its rebellion. But then Isaiah gives a beautiful promise. Verse 2 says, "In that day the branch of the Lord will be beautiful and glorious, and the fruit of the land will be the pride and glory of the survivors in Israel." This branch is a title pointing forward to the Messiah Jesus Christ. Where human leaders failed, God's chosen one will bring restoration. Isaiah goes on to say that the remnant who survive will be called holy, everyone whose name is recorded for life in Jerusalem. God himself will cleanse the filth of Zion with a spirit of judgment and fire. What sin ruined, God will purify. The chapter closes with a vision of God's presence protecting his people, just like in the days of the Exodus. Over Mount Zion there will be a cloud by day and fire by night, a shelter, a refuge, and a covering of glory. Isaiah 4 is short but powerful. It reminds us that even in judgment, God promises redemption. The branch, Jesus Christ, will cleanse, protect, and cover his people with his glory. That's Isaiah chapter 4. In our next video, we'll explore chapter 5, where Isaiah sings a song about God's vineyard and what happens when his people reject him.